The tires on a mining truck are 14 feet tall. Estimate the radius. Use 3.14 for pi and do not include the units in your answer. Let's start with a sketch. Here's the tire, and it says that the tires are 14 feet tall. So that means from top to bottom, or straight across, 14 feet. So as soon as I drew this, I realized that although they didn't use the word diameter, that's what I just drew. So I realized that the diameter is 14 feet. And that means that the radius, which is half of the diameter, will be half of 14, and that equals 7 feet. If you chose the wrong answer of 21.98, then I think you actually found the fact that it was 7, but then you used it incorrectly. So I think you took the 14 divided by 2 and found 7, but then you took the 7, multiplied it by 3.14, and that gave you the total of 21.98. So unfortunately, what you found here is actually the circumference. And what we were looking for was just the radius. So I think you might have gotten confused because it told us that we should use 3.14 for pi, but just because it tells us what we should use doesn't mean that we necessarily need to use it. So the information is there, but we didn't need to use it. And I'm wondering if some of the strategies to help you be more accurate could be some of the strategies I modeled here. Like, I love to draw a sketch. When I draw a sketch and I label it, I become far more accurate in terms of what I'm actually working with, right? As soon as I drew this, I realized I had the diameter, and then I realized that I just need to cut it in half to find the radius. I'm also wondering if you might have gotten stuck on some of the vocabulary. We have diameter, radius, circumference. There are a lot of new words. So if you're not confident in your vocabulary yet in this unit, this is probably a good time for you to memorize some of these words and their definitions so that you can use them accurately in problems.